This video is going to explain to you how to go from one of your screencasting apps, Creations, Show Me, or Explain Everything, and submit your assignment into Schoology. So here I am in a previous course, and I know that I'm on day one, so if I click on that green folder in day one, and I scroll down a little bit to my assignments, you're going to see all of your assignments in that folder there. And one of the second option within that assignments folder is a screencasting assignment. So I can click there and it's going to open up and it's going to give me the information necessary to kind of go over what the assignment actually was. And so right next to that is something that you see submissions. So if I click on that submissions, you can see that I've submitted two videos late already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you how to submit from Explain Everything first. So this is with the understanding that you've already downloaded the video to your camera roll. So my video is already in my camera roll. In the top right hand corner I see a plus sign. So I'm going to click on that plus sign because I want to submit something new. And because it's in my photos or videos, I'm going to click the second option there. If this is your first time accessing Schoology and your camera roll, you might have to allow access to the camera roll. So I've done that already, and now I have to find whatever folder I've put that video in. So that's in my first one in the all photos. And you can see there's a bunch of still pictures there, but all the way at the end, the last actual button or icon there, it shows that it's a video because there's the little camera in the bottom left-hand corner, and it tells me how long that video is as well. You can see that it's only 15 seconds long. So that's the video I want to submit for my assignment. I click on it and I get a blue check mark there, and then going to click the green check mark. I've got to click that green check mark one more time, and now it's going to upload my media. It's unable to save submission. Okay? But it was added anyway. So you can see it was added because now I've submitted revision number 3. So that is if you want to go from Explain Everything into Schoology. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same exact thing in Creations. So here I am in Creations, and this is a video, and it's asking me to watch the video on the iPad because Creations, it will open it up in the actual app. But what I want to do is I want to scroll down, and down here I have Share. So if I copy this URL here, and I click the copy button, and now I'm going to go back into Schoology, and I'm going to hit that blue button again because maybe I did Explain Everything instead, or Creations, sorry. So I click there, and this time I'm going to create a submission. So when I click on that submission, just a white plain box is going to come up. Hold your finger down until the paste option comes up. So hold it down and then release it, and then click paste. And it doesn't want to copy that actual address. Let's go back and try it one more time. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. We'll click and drag. See if it works this way. Doesn't want to work that way either. So let's pretend we're going to copy that. And I click there and I paste. And if that was what I wanted to do, I would hit the check mark and I would add my assignment there. Now I have my 4th assignment in. So that is if I want to go from Creations. And it might be easier to do actually on a computer, but you know where to get the permalinker from. In Show Me, it's very similar. I find the video that I want to submit, and I'm going to come down here to adding an equivalent fractions. Let's see if this video is still here. Yep, this video is still here. Just to the right of the actual video, it has that share button. And I click on that share button, it gives me the embed. I can Facebook it if I want to. I can tweet it if I'd like. I'm going to email it because when I click on that email, it's actually going to give me the link. And I can come in here and I should be able to highlight. And now I have the option to copy. So that one works. And I can go back into Schoology, again, clicking that blue button, hit the Create Submission. And now I'm going to hold my finger down, I'm going to paste, and there's my Show Me, and I can click the green check mark, and now my submission has been in there. So now you can see that I've submitted to my assignment 5 different times. Okay, so that's how you're going to go from one of your screencasting apps to Schoology.